Moles of CH3CuO equals 5/60 equals 0.083 moles. Moles of CH3CONA equals 7.5/82 equals 0.091 moles. The mixture forms an acidic buffer. By Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, pH equals pKa plus log, salt, over, acid, equals 4.76 plus log lift, 0.091 divided by V over 0.083 divided by Wright. Since 0.091 over 0.0831, the log term is positive, making pH 4.76. However, the ratio is less than 10, so the increase is less than 1 unit, meaning 4.76 pH 5.0. The answer is A.